Damn, snow never stops. Damn it, shit. Ooh. Damn. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's your guy Don. I'm just trying to make this video here in my RV. I do have a Class B RV. It's a Winnebago 70 KO, and if you have any questions about the Winnebagos or the 70 KOs, you can easily drop your comment on the comment section, and I will respond to that as soon as I can. So right now, for all the traveling nurses or the traveling CNAs or whichever profession you do that you to travel, or you do like winter rving, you know, that's where I'm at right now. Because right now I just came back from work and it's crazy snowing. It's been snowing since last night, so I just decided to make this video let's just show you my daily living, how I live in my RV. You know, I'm lucky enough I have a port where I can easily charge my house battery. So yeah, so I want to take you guys outside, and I'll show you how bad it is outside and kind of slippery out there. So right now I'm just gonna be in my van. It's nice and warm. I made sure I have a propane, and also have a little space heater fan. I mean, just to keep the inside warm enough. But you know, I have enough propane inside. So yeah, every 4 days probably I can go out and refill my propane tank, and I come back. It's like $35 to fill it up, so it's not really like a big deal. So yeah, so if you're thinking of getting an RV, this is exactly what you're gonna do. This is how it looks like. So right now I just came back from work, so I'm gonna take you guys outside and show you how bad it is. All right. Yeah, so right now I'm outside. Yeah, it's kind of light inside. See how bad it is outside there. It's kind of snowing, so ooh, I'm gonna swap it so you can see. So right here is my van. All those who are trying to do like winter RVing, you know, yeah, and have a hookup right here. So it's right hookup. So right on the other side. Okay. I'm gonna check on my propane. Alright, so I'm gonna take you guys back inside to see how it is. So I just want to go check on the furnace. See, it's running. You can feel the warm air coming out. You can see the vapor. Alright, just me, I have heat inside, so let's go back, put this down. Ooh, there we go. Check the back of it. Yeah, I had to come down this way yesterday, so it looks pretty good out there. See that? It looks pretty good. I love it. So beautiful. Ooh. So pretty. Yeah, my furnace is running, so See how cute it is. I just love this weather. Yeah, so yeah, I was gonna make sure my cord is not covered. It's electric cord. So it's what I got right over there. It's a all season. I mean like weather-wise, so that way it's water resistant. I should say that. Like already, it's water resistant. So that way I don't. Yeah, it's got right here. Pick it up. Let's see. And I got this one because when I have this light, I know I'm connected. So I know I have electricity. Let's take it out of the snow so it doesn't get. There we go. So I got it all hooked up. Yeah, I had to buy this little part too, you know, to connect it to, I think it's like 30 amperes to. I have to check that again just to make sure I confirm it. Alright, so far we should be all set. And I'll take it guys inside. Yeah. Alright. Ooh, hello guys. Alright, so right now I'm back inside. I'm just gonna dust my hat. Oh, not dust my hat. Shake it up. So, ooh. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna get inside. So that's inside. That's how it looks like. I'm gonna try to make something to drink, like tea or something, and make breakfast for myself. So I'll catch you guys there. So I'll just take off my shoe. Just make sure I put them away on a paper. I got my little house slippers. It's nice and warm. So right now I'm just gonna make a little bit of breakfast to eat. You know, that's my little van. So it's nice and warm in here. I turn the light on so I can see what I'm doing. So guys, so many people. Excuse me. So many people have been asking me, did I winterize my van? How in cold temperatures, how do I survive in it? So I'm gonna hit it straight right now. So in cold temperatures, when it's like right now, it's kind of cold, but I think like a couple of weeks ago it was in the negative 20 over here, because right now I'm in Rockland, Maine. So a couple of weeks ago it was like a negative 20. So some people have been asking me how I survive, you know, like how do I, like what do I do? You know, I refuse to winterize my couch. So either way, what do I do? So I have an antifreeze fluid. I want to swap this right here so you can see that. I have sorry. I have my antifreeze over there. That's what I use. So what do I do with it? So I check my phone, I check the weather all the time. When it's going to freeze, when I know it's about to freeze, I make sure I drain my water system. I drain all the water inside. And again, all my pipes are inside the coach. So what do I have? What I have outside is just my gray tank, my black tank, and my freshwater tank. That's what I have outside. So once it gets to like freezing temperatures, I try to empty my tanks, make sure I got no water inside, and I put those antifreeze into my sink. It goes down into my pipes, and I go to the bathroom too. I drop some of it inside, and into the shower or stuff. I drop some of the antifreeze inside too. I mean, I don't put antifreeze into my freshwater tank because that's dangerous. So I don't want to do that. So I just drain my freshwater tank and just leave it like that. I got no water inside. So I just make sure I keep my couch nice and warm inside, and I'm good to go. So I've never experienced like freezing temperatures and stuff. So like freezing tanks, freezing frozen pipelines, and stuff. So that's basically what I do. So yeah. So right now I just came back from work. I'm gonna take off my scrubs and shirt, and I'm gonna make something to eat. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So right now I'm gonna make myself some tea. I'm here. I'm crazy. I put some water inside, some butter. Alright, now warm some water and make myself some tea. So what I have here is induction. So I need the induction pot, to warm my water, to cook. I can cook anything. I mean, like anything I want to cook. Like some days I have like food stuff in here. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, I've got like food stuff over here. I'll show you. So you see, I have rice and I got beans over there. Yeah, the last time I bought like potatoes and stuff. So I got more pot and plates and stuff. So I basically cook everything I want to cook in my van. Anything I want to cook, anything I feel like cooking. I'm a good cook. I might invite some of you some days to test my hand cooking, but I can tell my mom did a good job to teach me how to cook. So I cook anything I want to do, anything I want to cook, I just cook it and eat it, and good to go. So that way it saves me too from spending unnecessary like stuff, So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna boil water and make myself some tea. I might fry some eggs too. Let's see what I got in there. Yeah, a lot of eggs. Yeah, I might make some eggs too. So I like a few left inside. It's almost gone. That would take it for today, and then tomorrow I can get some more. Yeah. Alright, I'll catch you guys. I think. Yeah, I think it's almost the boiling. There we go. So while I'm waiting for my water to boil, I just have to turn the TV on. The TV right there. Let me see if I can get some signals. Yeah, kind of really bad. Yeah, the weather is not that good. That's why it's getting this crazy.
Ate something that.
Either way, I have my PS remote in there. So
designer. They found a hole.
Alright, I think my water is boiling off, so yeah, that should be boiling off. I'll turn it off. So I just done making my tea. I'm gonna fry some eggs so I can have a good breakfast, and cut my tomatoes and onions. So guys, what do? I put my tomatoes in the Ziploc bags and my onions into a Ziploc bags. That way I can preserve them in a couple of days, so they don't get bad. And most of that too, I don't make my fridge go messy, like so with onions, be like watery and all the stuff. So just wrap them in the Ziploc bags and put them in the fridge, so that way they don't go messy. The air inside, and I put this in the fridge bag. So I'm gonna try to make my eggs right now. I always beat it. Put oil too. beat it. That's how I like to do my eggs, bro. Always beat it. Yep. There you go. Alright, get my tea too. Alright, so I'm gonna turn my fan on. There we go. And oh, delicious. And now I have to flip it around. And I'll show you. There you go. Just try to make sure the other side too is nice and brown. Like I said, if you want me to cook anything in my van, anything, I can just do it. I can cook everything in my van. So, whatever you guys want me to cook, any day, anytime, just let me know. Just text me in the comment section. Just comment on the comment section, and I'll get right back to you. And see how it is. Yeah, I like it to be a little bit dry, so just my taste. Alright, I'm gonna leave it for a few minutes and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so I guess it's all ready. So I'm gonna turn off my cooker. Yeah. There we go. Just exactly how I want it. Ooh. I get some bread. So right now my breakfast is all ready and playing some video games. Yeah, so basically that's just it's still kind of hot. Yeah. Delicious.